Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would take you on a tour of my room. I haven't done this video in so long and I have changed a few little small things, so I thought I would show you guys. So yeah, let's go. So I'm gonna start out by doing like a little overview of my room. This is pretty much what the entire room looks like. When you first walk in, we have all these bags like on the back of the door. I don't really use these bags very often, so I just kind of keep them there. And then I have like a garment rack, and on here I just have all my fall winter dresses on it right now. Usually I do keep dresses on it like year round. I just kind of switch it up depending on the season. And I just color coordinated it by the lightest color to the darkest color. And then on the side here I have like random kind of like wicker bags like this. And then on the bottom here I just have two boxes that have silk scarves, and then the other one has more like technology type things like cables and like old cameras and that sort of thing. And then I have these little fun hats here too that I didn't really know where to put, so I just kind of like have them there. I just think these are really cool, so I like having them like kind of on display so I can see them all the time. Behind the garment rack I just have this mirror picture frame type thing that has a backstage photo of a Chanel show. I just thought it worked really well with my room and I just really like how it looks. And then on this side of the wall I have this mirror that I think is really pretty. I love the little like French Victorian type kind of look that it has. I really like it. So moving right along this way is my closet, which you guys have seen so many times, so I'm not going to linger too much on it. On the front of my door I do have this faux fur fuzzy jacket that you guys always see in the back of videos, and honestly it doesn't fit inside my closet, so that's why it sits out here like all year round. But yeah, like I said, I'm just gonna do like a B-roll kind of situation in my closet because you guys have seen it so many times. So beside my closet I just have these umbrellas just kind of sitting there in the corner, and then underneath that I have this gray trunk that has all of my tulle and delicate type dresses, and then on top is my record player that I got for Christmas. Above that I have another one of these mirror picture frame type things that again has a picture backstage at Chanel. The colors just worked really well with the room, so that's why I chose that. And then underneath that I have my first night table that has these big flowers on it, and then the inside of the jar I put these like half pearl, half like fake diamondy kind of things, and I think it just gives it like a nice little sparkle, so I love that. And then it's sitting on a tray that has a random photo of the Beatles. Then I have these little like vintage antique looking like perfume bottles. I think they're so cute. And an actual antique mirror that I got when I went to the antique market. You guys have seen this. And then inside of the actual night table I just kind of have like faux fur accessories, so like hats like this and like shawls and that sort of thing. Underneath the night table I have this box that looks like this. It has kind of like a world map on it, and then inside I just keep all of my fans. I didn't really have anywhere to put them, and this box literally fits them perfectly, so I just kind of keep them there. So then after that, here's my bed, and it is the IKEA, like that metal one that everybody has. That's my bed. And then the bedding is called Langdon. It's by a brand called Cursil, and I don't think they make it anymore, but I feel like I've seen it online, so I'll just see if I can link something similar to it, or if I actually find it I'll link it for you guys. So I have these two big Euro cushions that I got from Bombay that I don't think is a company anymore. And then I have these two little small ones that I don't remember where I got them from. This one is from Winners, I believe, this little circle one. And then I have this really fluffy bear that I got when I went to Peru in December, so I brought this back with me. So in front of my bed I do have this ottoman that has all of my scarves and hats and stuff like that, like for the winter, and on top I have this little trunk that has all of my vintage type bags, like little handbags from the 1920s. Most of them are from my grandma, so I just kind of keep them there. Moving along my bed, I have my second night table, and I have my lamp here that you guys always ask me where it's from, and honestly I have no idea. It was when one of my dad's work offices, and when they moved they had extra stuff and my dad brought it home for me, so that's where that's from. And then I have two picture frames. This one is from, I don't know where this picture frame is from, might be like Winners or something, but it has my favorite painting, which is The Swing by Fragonard. It's my absolute favorite painting, so I have that on there. And then I have this other smaller one that has a picture of Audrey Hepburn from Funny Face, which is my favorite movie, so that's kind of why I have that there. And then inside the night table I just have all of my DVDs, and then I have like random things like I have Victoria's Secret Love Spell. Sometimes I put this on if I want to go to bed. I don't know, I'm weird like that. And then I have hand cream. Then underneath my night table I have this little stack here. So I have my mini iPad mini, and then on top of that I have this little like leather case thingy that you can like store things in. It was my grandfather's and it has like his initials on it. I don't really use it. I just brought it home with me when I was in Peru in December. I just kind of keep it there because I really like it. And then on top of that I have my journal. I started journaling in October. I'm trying to make a habit out of it every day to just kind of like write a full page of my day. Nothing really like that crazy. It's just something I've kind of started to get in the habit of. And then of course like a pen. So beside my night table, again, I have another one of those like mirror picture frame things on the wall. And then I have this little bag that sits on 3 boxes. The boxes pretty much look like this, and they hold the extra buttons from the clothes that I buy. I have another one has hats, and then the other one has belts, so that just kind of like sits on the floor there. And then beside that I have my dress form. You might have noticed my friend over here. And this one just kind of has this little necklace on it. I am looking for a more like antique necklace that I'm hoping to find to change it, but for now that's the one I have. And then behind it, let's see if I can grab it, I have these random like lace parasols that I think are so beautiful. Like, okay, let me open it so you guys can see. Like, you guys, how beautiful. I have this one and then I have like a little mini one. I don't really have anywhere else to put them, so they just kind of live behind there. And then I also have a disco ball because, you know, who doesn't need a disco ball in their life? I feel like everyone should have a disco ball in their house. And then on my window I have this short little curtain. I'm not really sure what it's actually called. I'm sure there's a name for it, but yeah, so I just have that there. But then underneath the window I have these 3 little cubbies. On top I have these gold boxes that have all of my hair clips and like scrunchies and stuff like that, like the really basic ones. And then I have these flowers here obviously. And then I have this little crystal like jewelry holder that has my Dior lip balm. I don't know, it just kind of sits there. And then I have a photo of Jean Shrimpton. She's like an icon. Obviously, this is a really iconic photo. I love this photo. I think it's beautiful. So in the cubbies, I just have a bunch of random stuff. So the first row pretty much has all of my like vintage cameras. I started collecting them a couple years ago. And then like random things like this little Hollywood like thing. I don't even know what these are called actually, to be honest, like not gonna lie. And then I have 2 random handbags. I do have this box that was my grandmother's, and I just have all of my really pretty like hairpins and stuff in it. And then here I have another bag, and then I have this like snow globe, but it's actually a glitter globe of New York City that I like fell in love with a couple Christmases ago, and I just kind of kept it like all year round because it's beautiful. And then I have my camera that I'm filming on right now. And then I have this little jewelry box that belonged to my grandma, and inside here I only keep like her jewelry that she's given me. Beside my window I have this cork board that I made when I was back in high school. I just changed it out for a more vintage mirror. And then on here I just have some photos that kind of inspired me. So I have the kiss on Carnaby Street. I have the Audrey Hepburn, Twiggy, George and Patty. Just kind of like different photos that I really like. Underneath the corkboard, I just have a stack of fashion books and then my white boots. It's a little bit hard for me to show you, but on the side here I have the Alex drawers. You guys know what they look like, everyone has them. And then on top I have my perfumes. So I just have a bunch of really random ones. I mostly have Chanel ones. I really like the way the Chanel perfumes smell, like in general. My everyday perfume is Coco Mademoiselle, which I'm like running out of. I love this perfume. If you want to know what I smell like, that's what I smell like. And then on top here I also have this angel, and then I have this like really random like jewelry carrier. I don't actually use it too much as a jewelry carrier. Sometimes I'll like take everything out on the inside and just use it like as a purse. I think it looks really cute. So inside the Alex drawers, I just have more jewelry and sunglasses, tights, headbands, that sort of thing. So moving along this way, I have another jewelry box. This one's all mirrored, so it kind of matches the mirror like picture frames on the other sides of my room. And this one has, again, all of my grandmother's jewelry as well. And then on top, I have this little like Chanel book. And then beside that, I have this little random like glass box, a random picture frame of like a random painting. I'm not really sure, like, I don't know who this is. I just like keep it here. And then this is like a new addition to my room. I just think it's really cool. I haven't really seen any of these before. It's like an old like candle holder, like a burning oil type thing. You can use it, like there's a candle, but I don't trust myself with candles, so like I'm not gonna do that. And then I have another friend back here, and yeah, she just kind of sits there. And then like a TV, where I actually rarely watch TV, so actually no, that's a lie. I watch a lot of DVDs. I rarely watch any actual TV or Netflix or anything like that. I just keep watching the same movies over and over again. And of course we have my dresser. On the two small drawers I just have jewelry, and then I have like sweaters, underwear, pants, and pajamas, so nothing like overly exciting. And beside that we just have my closet door, and I just keep these two bags on there that I mostly use for like blogging and stuff. And then we have my mirror, and there I am, hello. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I love this mirror. I think it's really pretty. It's gold. It kind of matches the other picture frames that I have on my night table. So yeah, that pretty much concludes my room tour. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!